Hello students, this is the time to continue our exercise after a very long time. I hope your exams was very good. Now from class 6 textbook, class 7th textbook, I am going to solve exercise 6.2. It is related to the exponents. So the questions are very interesting and we have finished till question number 7 in the last video, and here I am going to start with 8th question number 8. Okay, it is question 8. Question is, if minus 7 power minus 1 is multiplied by a number, the product obtained is 6 upon 7 power minus 1. What is the number? So the best way to solve this question is, let the number be x, and we have to follow the instructions given in the question. If if minus 7 power minus 1 is multiplied by a number, so we write multiplied by a number, and the product obtained is means equal sign, is 6 upon 7 whole power minus 1. Now we have to find the value of x, but we have to simplify this equation. So we can't calculate negative exponent, as I explained in the previous video. तो नेगेटिव एक्सपोनेंट को कैलकुलेट करने के लिए हमें उसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. उसके लिए हमें इस नंबर को इस तरह से लिखना होगा, 1 अपॉन माइनस 7 पावर 1, देन मल्टीप्लाई x इक्वल्स in the right hand side. So just write the reciprocal of 6 upon 7, it is 7 upon 6, and change the sign of exponent. So most of the times when you solve this type of question, follow the method. तो जब भी हम किसी फ्रैक्शन का रेसिप्रोकल फाइंड करते हैं तो उसका जो एक्सपोनेंट होता है, जो भी उसकी पावर होती है, उसका साइन हम चेंज करेंगे, एंड इट इज़ 1 अपॉन माइनस 7, ओके, into x equals 7 upon 6. So we have to perform the cross multiplication, that is x into 6 equals minus 7 into 7, and in the next step you can write the answer, x equals to minus 7 into 7 upon 6, that is minus 49 upon 6. This is the required number. Okay, you should note it down. I am going to solve next question, that is question number 9. So I will solve 2 or 3 parts. The question is simplify. So the question is 25 into 5 power 2 into x power 8 upon 10 cube into x power 5. Okay, what you have to do is just factorize all the numbers if it is possible, and then combine the numbers with the same base by applying the rule of exponent. Means यहाँ पर हम 25 को फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं 5 स्क्वायर, तो इसको हम एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में लिखेंगे बिकॉज बाकी नंबर्स भी एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म में, एंड राइट नेक्स्ट 5 स्क्वायर विच इज ऑलरेडी गिवन, राइट x पावर 8, देन फैक्टराइज 10 क्यूब. सो 10 को हम लिख सकते हैं 2 इंटू 5, एंड इट इज़ क्यूब बिकॉज 10 का जो होल क्यूब है वो ऑलरेडी गिवन है, तो हम 10 को फैक्टराइज कर रहे हैं और वही एक्सपोनेंट हम अप्लाई करेंगे, एंड it will be x power 5 as it is already given. Now apply the rules of exponent. See, in the numerator you have 5 power 4, because the base is same, you will add the exponent, and x power 8 upon, then it is 2 cube. Okay, so you can also do something with x. So if the same base is there in the denominator, you can subtract the exponent, so it becomes 8 minus 5. x का जो exponent 5 है उसको हम subtract करेंगे, and it is 2 cube into 5 power 3. Again we can simplify. You can see that there is 5 power 4 and 5 cube also. This 5 cube is in denominator, so subtract it from the numerator. Just write x cube also. Okay, it is x cube upon 2 power 3. Okay, finally you can get the answer in this step. So 5 power 4 minus 3, it is just 5. डिनोमिनेटर में क्या है 2 क्यूब, 2 क्यूब का मतलब होता है 8, 5/8 एंड इट इज एक्स क्यूब, 5/8 एक्स क्यूब. दिस इज आंसर ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 फर्स्ट पार्ट. You should note it down. I am going to solve next part. Next part is, so which part is important? I think I should solve third part. Okay, ninth question, third part. So the third part is 2 power 5 and whole cube. So it is 2 power 5 whole cube into 7 cube upon, this is 8 cube into 7. We have to simplify this. Okay, so what is the best way to solve this question? I explained you in the first part that try to कन्वर्ट गिवन नंबर इनटू एक्सपोनेंट फॉर्म. ओके, यहाँ पे 2 को हम कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज 2 के कोई फैक्टर्स नहीं होते, बट 8 को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो फर्स्ट सिंप्लीफाई द न्यूमरेटर. देयर इज 2 पावर 15. ओके, आई एक्सप्लेन्ड यू दैट इफ देयर इज द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ द एक्सपोनेंट जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई. सो 2 की एक्सपोनेंट 5 है और इस पूरे नंबर के एक्सपोनेंट 3 है, तो हम इसको कन्वर्ट करेंगे 2 पावर 15 में. एंड यू कैन सी इट इज 7 पावर 3. Okay, then you can also convert 8 as 2 power 3 and there is cube because 8 cube is given. तो हमने सिर्फ 8 को कन्वर्ट किया है 2 पावर 3 में, बट ये 3 एक्सपोनेंट ये हमें ऑलरेडी गिवन है तो अप्लाई करना होगा. नाउ दिस इज 2 पावर 15 into 7 power 3 upon, in the denominator we have 2 power 9, 3 3 ja 9 into 7, and in next step we will obtain the answer. So you can see 2 in the numerator and denominator also, so subtract the exponent. Okay, subtract the exponent of the denominator from the numerator. So हम लिखेंगे 2 power 15 minus 9 and 7 power 3 minus also 1, because we can assume that is exponent, that is 1. So it is 2 power, okay, it is 2 power 6, 15 minus 9 6 into 7 power 2. Now you can find the values. Okay, so fourth part is also important, ninth question and fourth part. This is very interesting question. Okay, minus 1 upon 3 whole power 2, again the exponent is minus 2 and again the exponent is minus 1. So the best way to solve this question is, if we have a base and we are applying the exponent, then stepwise we are applying the exponent to the exponents, just multiply all the exponents. So here we keep the base as it is, multiply all the exponents, 2 into minus 2 into minus 1, and it is converted in a very simpler form. So multiply these values, you get 2 2 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, and there are negative signs 2 times, so get the positive value. Again minus 1 upon 3 whole power 4 means apply the exponent to both the numerators and denominators, it is equal to 1 upon 81. This is the answer of fourth part, 1 upon 81. Not it. So question 9 is completed, students. Move to the next question. Next question is 10th and it's very easy, easiest question of this exercise. 10th question, first part, find the reciprocal. Okay, reciprocal, as you know what is reciprocal. So the number is 6 power 0 into 9 power 0. First of all you have to simplify this, then find the reciprocal. सबसे पहले जो भी वैल्यूज आपको गिवन है, जो भी कैलकुलेशन है वो परफॉर्म करनी है, उसके बाद में उसका रेसिप्रोकल फाइंड करना है. सो 6 पावर 0 इज 1 बिकॉज इफ 0 इज द एक्सपोनेंट ऑफ any number it gives 1. 9 power 0 is also 1. The product is 1. As you know, the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So reciprocal is 1. It's very simple. Second part, the number is minus 5 upon 7 whole power 7. So if you want to find the reciprocal, we can write minus, and you can see that this is an odd number, that exponent is the odd number, and inside the bracket there is negative sign. So जब भी माइनस साइन के साथ एक्सपोनेंट ओड होता है तो फाइनल आंसर भी हमें नेगेटिव ही मिलता है. You can just put the minus sign outside the bracket and you can just write 5 power 7 upon 7 power 7. Finally, what is the reciprocal? Don't disturb the minus sign, just write 7 upon 7 power 5 upon 7, and it is minus 7 upon 5 whole power 7. This is the answer of, I think, 10th part, sorry, second part of 10th question, minus 7 upon 5 whole power 7. Okay, very easy question it, uh, and you will solve the third part. So move to next question, 11th question, and I think I should solve both the parts. Note it down. Question number 11. First part. This is about simplifying. Simplifying means we have to calculate the value. 7 power minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 power minus 1 and whole power minus 1. So I should check the values again. 7 power minus 1 plus 3 upon 2 power minus 1 and whole power minus 1. Now don't try to multiply these exponents. Okay, जैसे अभी मैंने लास्ट पार्ट में आपको एक्सप्लेन किया है, बिकॉज ये वाला माइनस एक्सपोनेंट जो है ये 3.2 पे अप्लाई हो रहा है, और जो बाहर में आप माइनस वन एक्सपोनेंट देख रहे हैं ये होल ब्रैकेट पे अप्लाई हो रहा है. सो डू नॉट ट्राई टू मल्टीप्लाई दीज. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to do is simplify the values inside the bracket. So 7 power minus 1 को हम 1 upon 7 लिखते हैं, and here the exponent is minus 1, so just write the reciprocal of 3 upon 2 and change the sign of the exponent inside the bracket. Okay, so now simplify. 1 upon 7 plus, it is simply 2 upon 3 power minus 1. You can take LCM. ओके, ब्रैकेट में हम इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे. सो टेक द एलसीएम, दैट इज 21. 7 3 जा 21 एंड इट इज 3 7 जा 7 2 जा 14. ओके, एंड 3 प्लस 14 इज 17. 17 अपॉन 21 होल पावर माइनस 1. अगेन फाइंड द रेसिप्रोकल and change the sign of the exponent. You have to remember this thing. Okay, and the answer is 21 upon 7. So I think this is the most important question of this exercise. 11th question, first part answer is 21 upon 7. Note it down. Okay, the answer is 21 upon 17. And second part is also important, very important. 11th question, second part. The question is 5 power minus 1 minus 4 power minus 1 whole power minus 1. Then we have plus sign. 2 power minus 1 minus 3 power minus 1 whole power minus 1. So I should check the values again. 5 minus 1 minus 4 power minus 1 then whole power. Okay, the values are correct. So again, do not try to multiply the exponents, simplify the values inside the bracket. So सबसे पहले आपको ऐसा लिखना है, bracket minus 1 plus this bracket minus 1. Okay, 5 power minus 1 can be written as 1 upon 5, then minus 1 upon 4, it is plus, then in the next bracket write 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Okay, now you can take LCM. So write all the things as it is. Okay, so LCM of 5 and 20, 5 and 4 is 20. It is 5 4 ja and it is 4 5 ja. And in the next bracket, LCM is 6, it is 2 3 ja and 3 2 ja. Now simplify. 4 minus 5 is minus 1 upon 20 whole power minus 1 plus 3 minus 2 is 1 upon 6 whole power minus 1 again. Now in this step you can write the reciprocal of minus 1 upon 20, that is 20 upon minus 1 whole power 1, because if you write the reciprocal of a fraction, change the sign of the exponent. Here 1 upon 6 becomes 6 upon 1, change the sign of the exponent. So now it is 20 upon minus 1, that is minus 20 plus 6, okay, that is minus 14. So minus 14 is the answer of this part, and this question is also important. So in my opinion, from question number 8 to 11, the important questions which are question number 8 and 11, these two questions are very important. Note it down. Now at the end of this video, I want to let you revise few points which are very important. These points are related to exponents. Okay, maybe after a long time you have forgot something. See, if you are going to multiply a number, suppose a number is a, the power is x, with the same base but the power is different. So what you have to do is just keep the base as it is and add the exponents. This is the addition rule of exponent. Second, suppose the base is not same. See, if there is a power x into there is b power x, in the second case we have different base but the exponent is same, so you have to multiply both the bases, that will a into b whole power x, and you can check it or you can prove it by taking the values of a, b and x. Third rule is, suppose there is a number, means this is a base, if there is an exponent x and there is another exponent of this whole value, that will be y. So what you have to do is multiply all the exponent, don't try to add these, so it will be x into y. You can also say a power xy. All right. Fourth one, suppose you have a upon b whole power, suppose the power is minus 2, doesn't matter whatever the exponent is given. Now what we have to do is just write the reciprocal of the value that is inside the bracket. So the reciprocal of a upon b is b upon a, and the next thing is to change the sign of exponent. आपको सिर्फ exponent का sign change करना है, and you can simplify it as it will be b square upon a square, and if the values are given you can simplify. Okay, now one more thing, suppose you face the negative exponents, suppose the base is a upon b, the exponent is minus 3, and again the exponent of this whole expression is minus 2. So the same thing we will apply, we will apply the same concept as we have done in fourth part. Okay, so use the same concept, keep the base as it is and multiply the exponents. So that is minus 3 into minus 2, that will be a upon b whole power 6. Here do not write the reciprocal of a upon b because there is the exponent and again exponent. So first of all simplify these, but suppose in the final step you get the negative exponent, then you can find the reciprocal. So I hope you understood all the concepts of this exercise. And in the next exercise, that is 6.3, questions are very interesting. Okay, and you will get to know some new concepts. So try to solve the remaining parts. Have a good day.